All right. So this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and I couldn't let another day go by without thanking everybody for helping me get my page, and I shouldn't say our page monetized. And when I say our page, I'm not talking about just me and my brother and my family. I'm talking about everybody. I'm talking about my students. I'm talking about my friends. I'm talking about my coworkers. I'm talking about my army buddies, all of you, helped me into getting my there again. I said my getting our page monetized. So I greatly appreciate that. And so I am tickle pink about the whole situation. And I have sacrificed and creating all these videos on YouTube in order that the page get monetized. And I couldn't let another day go by without thanking you guys. Okay. And I know a lot of you guys gonna sit up here and say, um, you know, oh, I still want to invest in a single family home. Well, let me put something on your mind. I want to put something on your heart. We actually own a single family home that we paid $180,000 for. Okay. And the taxes are roughly $6,800 a year. Okay. A 4 bedroom, 2 bath, single family home. And then we also own a 4 bedroom, 2 bath mobile home. Okay. That we barely spent $20,000 for, and the taxes are $90. Okay. Both of the single family home and the mobile home bring us in approximately the same dollar amount in rent every month, the same dollar amount in rent. So why would I want to buy a $180,000 single family home when I can buy a mobile home for barely $20,000 and get the same rent, get the same rent? If you don't believe me, guys, get on YouTube or get on Google it. And I am telling you the gospel. Okay. So like I said, check it out. This is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels. Like I said, once again, I want to thank everybody who helped us get our channel monetized. Especially my mom, my brother, my friends, my coworkers, my students, my military buddies, people who said something good and people who said something bad. Because believe it or not, saying bad comments also helps promote my course on YouTube. Those of you who don't know it, it helps. It helps, even though I'm not going to let those comments stay up there, but it helps. So you're helping me, bad or good. You are helping me, guys. You're helping me and my family and my friends and my coworkers and my students, promote my course. So this is Kelly from Hills, Steals, and Wiz, guys. If you want to get on a quick 30-minute Zoom, we could do that. And another couple of people that I want to thank is people who allowed me to interview you, especially back in the day, guys, when, I didn't know what I was doing in the interviewing process, but it's a lot of you who allowed me to interview you. And I appreciate you guys because you didn't know where I was going with this. Okay. You didn't know where I was going with this, but I appreciate y'all. Those of you who allowed me to interview you as well. All right. So if you want to do a quick Zoom and find out about the mobile home business, contact me or text me at 800-974-5580. We can schedule a quick, free 30-minute Zoom so I can introduce you to the mobile home business. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll talk to y'all soon.